got my trolling motor on high. You beat me. Well, hello everybody, welcome back to Pro-Am Outdoors. I'm out here at Gibbons Creek Reservoir, and guess what? Met this guy online. We met a couple of weeks ago, and he's got an awesome rig out right here. He's gonna go crappie fishing. He may even show me a couple of them where to go. What is your channel's name? It's Hooked Up.
Hooked Up Fishing, man, and that's what I do. I get people hooked up so he don't have to worry about it. In Pro-Am Outdoors, I'm gonna get him hooked up because that's
all right. Well, he's gonna help me get hooked up. We're gonna collab on this show. All right. So we'll see you out on the water. Morning. Alright, so we're going to follow these guys out for just a little bit. See what we do. We might come across these guys got a spot out here. And I just want to see what they got. See if we can't catch a couple of crappie. I got my trolling motor on high. You beat me. I've been having it battery issues anyway. I don't know what that is, man. So I'm gonna just kind of troll around and watch these guys fish a little bit. I want to see what they do. Y'all got the honey holes.
I'm gonna try. I'll try it on the way in. You might as well go. Might as well just go over there while we got a little window. And then if I have to come in tight, we'll try it on the way in. I'm marking them, but I dropped on them earlier. I couldn't get it right. Huh?
I don't know about this. This is looking bad. It's going way too far. Yeah, this may not be too good. This is kind of bad out here. All these white cappers. I'm riding the waves. Oh my goodness. This is bigger than I was earlier. Feel like I was surfing. Man, yeah, here we go. This is not looking good. We might need to get off the water. This is not looking good at all. worth it to me. This ain't worth it to me. I'm finna head back. If I can find me a rhythm to get in between these blades. I looked back, but I didn't see him. So. At all. I get close to this bank over here. came up, just nailed another guy, and I'm getting beach whooped real bad. So I don't know what to do. I'm stuck out on Gibbons on the spot. I don't know where to go, but it's bad. My kayak's down there, getting whooped by the waves. It's bad. It's real bad. It's real bad. I don't know what to do. I can't get back because I got the waves. Okay, so I'm stuck in this backhoe right here with this storm going on. I'm over here, and you can't see too good, but on the other side where the storm's rolling in, I got a kayak down on the other side of that dam, and it's so bad I cannot get out, and I seek shelter in this backhoe right here. A truck drove by so fast I couldn't see anything. Until it was too late, he'd have left. Ugh.
Try not to, or watch the weather next time.
Yeah. Well, I'm back here at the landing and using my phone to video again, but guy from off that big old deal, man, he come out and saved my butt. I was stuck in that backhoe. That's him leaving there. He works for that power plant on the shutdown of it. He's leaving now, and he come by and I had to flag him down. And he brought me back to my truck, got my kayak loaded up. We had to drag the kayak up the ramp, all the way up the dam and on top, and we used the truck to pull it out. But you know what? This was a crazy adventure out here on Pro Am Outdoors. We'll see you next time.